Hey there, hair enthusiasts! Ever dream of luscious locks without breaking the bank? Well, guess what? Aliexpress is your new best friend. That's right, folks, we're talking about gorgeous, high-quality hair at unbelievable prices. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket, but way more stylish. You can find everything from bouncy Brazilian curls to sleek, straight Vietnamese strands, all with a few clicks. Trust me, your hair and your wallet will thank you. So what are you waiting for? Ditch those overpriced salon visits and let's dive into the exciting world of AliExpress hair shopping. First things first, fire up that computer or phone and head over to aliexpress.com. Don't worry, it's easier than remembering the lyrics to your favorite song. Once you're there, type in exactly what you're looking for, like Brazilian curly hair bundles. Boom, you'll be greeted with a dazzling array of options. Now, before you get lost in a sea of hair extensions, let's talk strategy. Look for sellers with high ratings and tons of positive reviews. Think of it like picking a restaurant. You'd trust the one with lines out the door, right? Pay close attention to what other customers say about the hair's texture, quality, and how well it matches the description. And don't forget to compare prices. AliExpress is a competitive marketplace, so take your time, shop around, and find the best deal for your dream hair. Now, you might be thinking, Jimmy, is AliExpress legit? I hear you. But let me tell you, this ain't no shady back alley deal. AliExpress is a massive online marketplace, kind of like the Times Square of e-commerce, but without the costume characters, unless you're into that sort of thing. Here's the lowdown. AliExpress boasts over 150 million buyers worldwide. That's like everyone in New York City, Los Angeles, and Chicago combined, all shopping for awesome stuff at great prices. And get this, they process a whopping 60 million orders every single day. That's a whole lot of happy shoppers, so rest assured you're in good hands. AliExpress is a reputable platform where you can find incredible deals with peace of mind. Section 4. Making the most of your AliExpress hair journey. All right, you found your perfect hair, click that Buy Now button, and it's on its way. Exciting, right? While you patiently wait for your hair to arrive, it's like Christmas morning, but for your head. Let's talk about how to make the most of your purchase. First things first, communication is key. Don't hesitate to reach out to the seller if you have any questions about the hair, shipping, or anything else that's on your mind. Most sellers on AliExpress are super responsive and happy to help. And remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to international shipping. Your gorgeous new hair is traveling across the globe to get to you, so give it a little time. Good things come to those who wait, right? Section 5, tips and tricks for a smooth purchase. Now let's talk about some insider tips to make your AliExpress hair shopping experience even smoother than a freshly conditioned mane. First up, always double-check the seller's return policy before you buy. Just in case your hair arrives and it's not quite what you expected, you want to be sure you can return or exchange it. Next, pay close attention to the product description, especially when it comes to hair length, color, and weight. AliExpress sellers are pretty good about providing detailed information, so read everything carefully to avoid any surprises. And finally, don't forget to leave a review once you've received your hair. Your feedback helps other shoppers make informed decisions and ensures that everyone has a fantastic AliExpress hair experience. Section 6. Welcome to your best hair yet. There you have it, folks. Your guide to unlocking a world of affordable, high-quality hair on AliExpress. From browsing for your dream locks to navigating the checkout process, I hope this journey has been as informative as it is exciting. Remember, AliExpress is your one-stop shop for all things hair, offering endless possibilities to transform your look without emptying your wallet. So go ahead, embrace your inner hair chameleon, and get ready to turn heads with your fabulous new hair.